In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your Google Ads budget effectively in just about 5 minutes. Understanding and setting the budget for your Google Ads campaign is fundamental to managing your digital marketing effectively without overspending or underinvesting in your advertising efforts. So let's dive right in and guide you through the process. Setting up a budget for your Google Ads is an essential step towards achieving your marketing goals, and thankfully the process is straightforward. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Ads overview page. For those new to Google Ads, this is the dashboard where all your advertising magic begins. You'll find a broad overview of your account's performance, and it's from here you'll jump into the more specific tasks like setting your budgets. Once you're on the overview page, your next step is to click on Campaigns. This is where all your active, paused, or completed campaigns live. Understanding the difference between these statuses is vital as it helps you manage your campaigns more efficiently. An active campaign is currently running and spending your budget, while paused or completed campaigns are not incurring any costs. Interestingly, our guide mentions clicking on campaigns twice, which might seem redundant. However, this step ensures you've correctly navigated to the right section in your Google Ads account, crucial for correctly setting your campaign budgets. Next, you will select the campaign for which you want to set a budget by clicking on the cogwheel icon next to it. This icon is your gateway to tweaking and customizing the settings for each campaign to match your goals and budgetary constraints. Clicking on this cogwheel takes you deeper into the customization options for your selected campaign, allowing for granularity in how you wish to allocate your resources. After selecting the campaign and clicking on the cogwheel, your next move is to click on Budget. This is where the core action takes place. Adjusting your budget here directly influences the reach and effectiveness of your campaign. Setting your budget demands careful consideration. You'll want to balance between spending enough to achieve significant visibility and not so much that you're stretching your marketing funds too thin. Upon choosing budget, you enter the crucial stage where you can directly set or adjust your budget according to your financial plans and marketing objectives. This step is where strategic planning comes into play. Knowing how much you want to spend daily or over the campaign's lifetime is key. Remember, the goal is to maximize ROI while keeping costs manageable. After adjusting your budget, all that's left to do is click Save. This final step solidifies your budget settings, putting your plan into action. The importance of reviewing your budget after saving cannot be overstated. Double-checking ensures that you've set everything according to your needs, avoiding potential surprises down the line. Before we wrap up, here's an additional tip to enhance your understanding and control over your Google Ads budget. Regular monitoring and adjustments are crucial. The digital marketing landscape is dynamic, and your budgeting should be too. Keep an eye on how your campaigns perform and be ready to adjust your budget accordingly. Flexibility and responsiveness to campaign data can significantly improve your marketing effectiveness. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to setting your Google Ads budget. Remember, the key to a successful Google Ads campaign is not just the amount you spend, but how wisely you allocate your budget across your campaigns based on performance and strategic goals. Happy advertising, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials like this one.